beautiful day out today, windy, but not too bad. The wind is actually keeping everything nice and cool right now. Okay, so hopefully this wind today isn't an issue with the audio, but I just wanted to show you guys basically the structural framing aspect of this build before I start doing the deck boards. So I have 2 sets of bracing here every 4 feet. We have 12 feet coming off the house. So by code, it's every 4 feet needs bracing. So I got the bracing going end to end. I have a triple picture frame design here. So there's one box right here. Then there's another box that comes to that section right here. And then another section that finishes off the deck. So that's what the bracing is through here, because I'm gonna have a double deck board runner going straight through, and that'll pick up both sides of the deck boards. Have some of the deck boards down. So this is what I was referring to when I said the picture frame. So I'm gonna leave it long because I don't know where my rim joist is gonna be yet, because I don't know where my posts are gonna be yet. And then when I get to my final full width board, that's where I'm gonna mark out 5.5 inches after that and cut all these down and attach my rim board. And then I can do all of the blocking all the way down. And then what I'll do is take my track saw and take a chalk line, track saw, and just rip them all down. Hey guys, so I'm in a cottage right now that I'm doing the deck on, which looks like this. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll do the second bay here and the third bay over there, and then I don't know what time it'll be, but if I have time I'll do the rim board across the front. Okay, so I just took the track saw to this edge here, and I also stained it with the Micro Pro Sienna. Now I'm gonna finish this border piece coming out here, and I'll leave it long and I'll start the next section. Okay, so I just wanted to explain the process of me putting down these boards. I basically analyze the entire board. I figure out which side I want up or down, and then I look at the ends, and I look for things like splits or just ugly knots that I don't like, that I don't think the customer would like. Same with this end. Now, I also know that my maximum length that I can cut is 11'3", and that's because of the border pattern on the deck. So what I'll do here is this crack goes to about here, and I know 11'3" is roughly over here somewhere, so I'm just gonna cut this crack off right at where it ends. And then when I use my track saw upstairs on the deck, this little bit here, 11'3", might fall over here, right where I'm gonna be setting up the track saw to cut, so I'll end up getting this off as well. So every cut that I make, I use cut and seal, and once I make that cut, I'll take that paintbrush and I'll seal this end off, prevent any rotting in the near future. Literally every piece of lumber that you see that I've cut has the cut and seal on it. It's a lot of ends that you gotta seal up, so it takes time, especially when you're building it by yourself for the most part. You'll see in the beginning of the video, my brother helped me do all the holes and then set up the posts, and he helped me do the beam and the ledger board, as well as all the hangers. So shout out to him, he's a beast.